Friends, welcome back to the YouTube channel. So in this video I'll show you how you can install the Intellij IDE for the Java. So for that you have to go to the Google and you have to type Intellij, and here you'll see some one download button link. So you have to click on this, or you can directly click on this link also. So I'll click on this download, and here you have the options for the operating systems. So here it is for available for Windows, Mac and Linux. So depending upon your system you can download the version. So here I'm having Windows, so I'll click on this Windows, and from here community edition you have to download .exe file for Windows. Okay, you can also download the zip file, but I'll download exe file. So this ultimate version is only having free version, free trial for 30 days. So you can use the community edition, which is open source and free to use. So our Java programs will be able to run in this edition also. So you have to just click on this download button and your download will start automatically. Okay, so here download starts. So it is about 651 MB. So I have already downloaded it. So I'm not again downloading it. I'm just cancel. Okay. So now I have downloaded it in my system here. So now you have to just double click on it, and you have to click on yes, then click on next. Then you can choose the destination folder where you want to install this, but I'll keep it as default in C drive. Then click on next, and here you have some options to tick. So here first it is asking whether you want to create the desktop icon for this. So I'll click on this. Then here it is asking that whether you want to open this folder as project option. So whenever you want to open a particular folder in your Intellij IDE, so I'll take this also. Then here it is asking you to which projects you are going to create. So for now I'll just click on this Java, and here you have to update the path variable, so just click on this. Okay, then click on next, keep it as default and click on next, and now it will install automatically. So till it installing we have to download the JDK, that is Java Development Kit. So for that also you have to go to the Google and click on Java JDK, and from the first link you will be able to download the JDK. Okay, so now it's loaded. So now here I have the Windows system, so I'll click on this and I'll download the 64-bit installer X into 64, so which is about 175 MB. So you can just click on this link and it will be downloaded. Okay, you have to review this, and just you have to click on this. Then you have to sign in on this. Okay, so here you have to create account and then you have to sign in. So I have already downloaded it, so I'll install that. Okay, so before that we'll check whether our Intellij is installed or not. Okay, it's still installing. So till that we'll install the JDK. So here I have installed the JDK, downloaded the JDK. Now I'll double click on this, give administration permission, and then will be now prompting us to install. Okay, so now here you have to click on next, then choose keep it as default, then click on next, and now it will be installed. So here Intellij is asking you to reboot your system, so you can just reboot your system. Click on this reboot now and just click on finish. Here you can click close. So now I have rebooted my system. So now here you will be able to see the icon for the IntelliJ. So just double click on this, click here do not import setting and click on OK. Okay, so now you'll be able to see this type of interface. So where you can create new project, you can open your existing project or folder, and here you can push your code to the GitHub. So before that, I'll customize this. So color theme I'll choose as high contrast. Font size I'll keep it as 13. Plugins I'll install later, and then I have to just click on next. Okay. So from here I'll create new project. So location I'll keep it in my desktop. So in desktop I have demo folder, so in that I'll store this my file. So here I'll write demo test. Then here select your JDK version, whatever you have downloaded. Then here keep it as a or by default, and then click on create. Okay, so now our new project is created. So now here we'll be able to see some options like file, edit, view. So here you can just cut it. So from file you can create new project, new Java class, new file, open your existing project folder. Then from here you will be change the appearance of this. Then you can build your project, you can run the existing code, debug that code. Then here from here you can push your code to the GitHub. Okay, and from here also you'll check for the updates of this particular IntelliJ. Okay, so you'll create new project. So click right click on this folder and click new Java class. Now give the name to your Java class. So I'll write here demo Java demo.java demo.java. So now my class name with demo is already is created. So now inside this I'll create my main method. So for that you can just type psvm and hit enter. So it will automatically create public static void main syntax for your main method. So now inside this I have to write the print statement. So for that I can directly type s out, so and hit enter. So it will automatically give you the line that is system.out.println. So inside that I'll write suppose hello world, and then I'll save it, Control S, and then from here you'll be able to run your program. So now once I click on that button, it will take some time for the first time to build your program. So now our program is compiled, and here you will be able to see the output as hello world. So now we'll also check for some inputs, user inputs. So for that I have to import the scanner class. So import java.util.scanner, and then now I'll create the object of that scanner. And then here I'll take some variable as int num is equal to sc.nextInt, and I'll just print it uh, entered or number is, and then I'll just display that number here. So before this also I'll uh, display some sentence so that user will be able to understand what to enter. So here I will enter any number. So now I'll save it, and now I'll run it. So here it is asking for me to enter any number. So I'll enter suppose 80 and I'll hit enter. So here it is displaying that the number is 80. So it means our IntelliJ is correctly set up for our Java programs. So in this way you can install the IntelliJ and set up your IntelliJ and JDK for the Java. So if you have any doubt or if you get any error while installing this, you can comment in the comment box. So I'll definitely solve your queries. So thanks for watching. We'll see in the next video.